Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to give feedback to Flixbus. Now, Flixbus really cool to get your feedback. All right, so this is how you can give your feedback. Number one, launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you get Flixbus? I'm going to show you how. You can get it on Google Play Store or you can get it on Apple Store. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompt to download or install. Now, after installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to give feedback to Flixbus. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple icons representing diverse features, and they include booking, tickets, stops, and more. Go ahead and select more. Now that you have more, it has these options which include need help, TNCs, privacy policy, legal notice, down to settings. So go ahead and click on need help. So that takes you to this window. So from here where you have this Flix help, go ahead and select feedback. And once you select feedback, they're going to show you how you can go about that. So you have this options. I would like to give feedback about Flixbus driver. I would like to give feedback about Flixbus equipment. I'd like to give feedback about Flixbus Wi-Fi and what safety. So what kind of feedback do you want to provide? So let's say feedback on driver. So here you go. If you travel with Flixbus and you want to share your feedback about the driver, you can use the satisfaction survey we'll send you after the ride via email. All right. Or you can so check your email for you to find the satisfaction survey, or you can click on the contact button below and fill out the form. This is the form. So fill in the form, click on fill in the form. So head over here. So here, what subject can we help you with? Ensure to set to feedback. Then specify a subject. You can use any of this. And then add your first name, your last name, email, confirm email, booking number, details, attachments if you want to by selecting upload files, and click on send. And once you click on send, the details here include the details of the feedback that you want to add. So express yourself, be as expressive as possible. And once you have added your feedback, click on send. So that's pretty much how you can give feedback to Flixbus. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.